In less than 5 minutes, I will show you how you can get your tax identification number here in Nigeria. I don't want you to fall into the hands of scammers telling you that they can give you tax identification number. All you need to do is to pay them. But in today's video, I will show you step by step on how you can get it free of charge. A lot of content creators need tax identification number for their payout, mostly Facebook and YouTube. Now, when you meet all the requirements on YouTube, 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers, and when you get up to $10 on your earnings, it requires you to set up your AdSense account. And once you are setting up your AdSense account, you need your tax identification number. Also on Facebook, when you meet all your requirements, you still need your tax identification number for your payout. So in this video, I will show you exactly in less than 5 minutes, you will have your tax identification number. So if you are ready, let's go.
So what you do is just type JBT or tax, JBT tax. So once you click on it, this is the first thing you do here. This is the first link you would click. You click on the link, then it takes you to this place, how you can apply for an individual. We have 2 ways to register for your tax identification. Your personal use, such as Facebook payout. Okay, you can also use your tax identification for your Facebook payout. Imagine you meet all the requirements and we are setting up your payout, and they said you need your tax identification number. So this is the one you will choose for an individual, right? Now, if it is for company, this is what you will choose. So all you need to do now is to click here. Now it will redirect you to this place. All you need to do is to put your NIN here. So when you put your NIN, if you don't have, you can request for it by dialing *346#. So once you put your NIN here, then you click here. The reason why I won't put my own here, because I've already gotten my tax identification number. I think I did the video last year. So this is a new method of getting your tax identification. The previous one, you will get it in the space of 1 to 2 weeks, but this one in less than 5 minutes. Once you do it well, once you follow the procedure, you will get your tax identification before leaving this website. So this is what you do. You click here, then it will take you to where you fill in your names and the date of birth. Once it aligns with your NIN names, your tax identification number will be generated, and instantly you can use it to set up your Facebook payout or your YouTube AdSense account.
Now you know how to set up your tax identification number. If you love this video, please smash the like button, turn on the notification bell so that when I post new video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.